So let's get a little bit more difficult.
Just got on the little ferry thing.
Yeah, just stay on this lane because the vehicle's going to reverse back a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah, but I passed out. I got stung by ice. Yeah. But that when they come in January, everything's on the hot right side, and like, hey guy, how are you reach? And I tell them where the station. Anyways, the guy goes back to his guitar, right? And they walk. But then I just have to go by now. Ice.
Yo dije que no le vi a coca.
Yeah.
¿Sí?
Pero todo el mundo lo iba a pagar.
Oh,
Bueno, porque lo compré con mis nombres ahí.
Yeah, la main supplier de arriba.
La Ferry vegana y la diaria.
Alguien dijo que usted no bebe coca.
No. Oh, because cuando estaba con el surgery me tenían
Ahora sí.
Me tenían bandas.
So if you look on this side of the ferry, like on the edge, you can see some minnows. We have catfish, we have some tilapia, white bass, peacock bass. So they're like some of the freshwater fishes that we have in the area. The river originates from the highlands of Guatemala, so it's a moving water. There's no big animal in the area. So we have some rapids, and this is where we do, some tubing, canoeing, kayaking. We have even cormorants. So the ecosystem here is very healthy.
Okay.
So this is the actual color of the water. Once the color of the water starts changing, it means that we have heavy rains in Guatemala, which now doesn't affect this area here, but with the heavy rainfall that we have been having, it affects that part of the river there.
Or in the back?
Whichever way, wherever you guys want.
All right. I'll have it.
Okay.